Agnes Apio is 64-year-old and a widow. She has a small grass thatch hut with 6 of her children and grandchildren. She is one of the beneficiaries of the donated houses in Kadame Sub-County, Kumi District. The houses come with a 3,000-litre water tank, ventilated pit latrine and a shower stall, each estimated at 20 to 25 million shillings.
Asa akako asa pradaja bujol to serengna itogera kiere abongdangina sponita atenere dere aduko kini ibala do bunga monyara monyo pela bungno do ngonda are deko.
She used to people used to laugh at her. Even her son left home. Even her houses started falling, some of them. So she's very happy and very glad that you guys came in to help her out. She thinks maybe because she cried, God had her prayer and also brought back her son back home.
A decent home provides a good health, and these donated housing units will enable the beneficiaries enjoy improved sanitation and also access clean and safe water. National Director for Habitant for Humanity Uganda, Robert Otim, says that decent homes are a foundation for breaking the vicious circle of poverty and also a cornerstone for public health and catalyst for development.
To budget allocation. But it's also unfortunate to note that for the last over 14 years, the housing subsector has been the least funded over the last 14 years or so. And I think it is very important to begin collective action, collective impact, working closely with the government to be able to bring to realization that housing, homes are very critical and a critical facilitator and catalyst in the NDP3.
We are demonstrating that this is possible, to use local materials and resources to put up a low-cost house. And then we've also worked with different partners to contribute to developing new technologies where we can produce materials that we use in the construction, and we also train the youth. If you're youthful, you have the energy, you have the capacity to think beyond the box. We train the youth to have skills in construction.
During the same function, over 48 youths from partner families were equipped with different vocational skills and startup kits to become self-reliant. The district leadership asked the local communities to embrace the parish development model initiative to improve their household incomes and livelihood.
So the communities are needed. Famine is very terrible. As you see people like this, a number of families sleep hungry without food. And I therefore call upon the intervention of other partners, the intervention of government to rescue. But I'm also aware that government cannot do everything. That's why I want to encourage my community members to be very productive in the community to help the young generation grow up positively.
We are happy for the services that they have given us. I know that the life of the people here will be improved better than what it is now. The parish development model is real and it is ready to change the livelihood of the people.
Habitant for Humanity Uganda has built, improved and rehabilitated over 40,000 houses, transforming lives of over 240,000 vulnerable families in Uganda and contributing to 1.67% reduction to the housing deficit of 2.4 million units in the country. Zahara Abigawa, UBC News.